everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this session we are going to cover the most important and expected questions on cascading style sheets, and this lecture series will help you qualify your job interview, college examination, as well as if you are preparing for any competitive examination, then this series will definitely help you. So this is the part 2 where we are going to cover the practical type questions. In the part 1 we have covered basic question, theoretical questions. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Which of the following CSS property is used to make the text bold? So whenever in your web page you want headings, let's say you want some headings to be in bold text, then what cascading style sheet property you should use? Okay, so first is text decoration bold, font weight, font style, or font or text alignment. Okay, so correct answer here is option number B, that is font weight colon bold. So this is the correct answer. Let's say I want my heading 1 in bold, so I will write it as H1 font weight colon bold. Okay, you can see the description here. Next question is, what will be the output of following CSS code snippet? So here one liner code is given here. You have to give its output. Okay, so options are nothing happen, एरर occurs, हेडिंग बिकम डार्क ग्रीन, हेडिंग बिकम्स ग्रीन. सो अगर आपने हमारे सारे सेशंस देखे हैं, कास्केडिंग स्टाइल शीट के प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच हमने डिस्कस की है, सो डेफिनेटली आपको इसका आंसर आता होगा. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज नथिंग हैपन. व्हाई नथिंग हैपन? बिकॉज whenever you want a color, whenever you want a text in some particular color, you should write it as, let's say, H1 color green and semicolon. That's it. Okay, there is no need to write the double inverted commas. Next question is, which of the following CSS style property is used to specify an italic text? So whenever you want italic text, like if I'm writing answer, okay, I want it like this. Okay, so you can use what? Correct answer is option number C, that is font style. So let's take an example here. Okay, let's take an example here. Let's say I'm using paragraph tag here. I want italic property in my paragraph. So paragraph font style colon italic semicolon and closes curly brackets. Okay, this is font. So you can use normal, italic, or oblique. We have done everything practically, right? Next is, what will be the output of following CSS code snippet? So here we have one-liner code. You have to check its output. Okay, so first option is color red, text decoration underline works. So code is given here H1. That means we are going to give properties to H1, color red, text decoration underline, font style italic. So only font style italic works. Color red, text decoration underline and font style italic all works. Text decoration underline and font style italic works. So इसमें कहा गया है, देखो इसमें तीन प्रॉपर्टीज दी हैं. वन इज कलर, अनदर इज टेक्स्ट डेकोरेशन एंड थर्ड वन इज फॉन्ट स्टाइल इटैलिक. इसमें कहा गया है ऑप्शंस में कि कौन कौन से एक्चुअल में काम करेंगे. सो देखो स्टूडेंट्स, नोट वन पॉइंट हियर. Before starting the text decoration, we did not use semicolon here. Okay, that's why only font style italic works here. Font style italic works here only because text decoration underline is not a correct syntax. Tell me in the comment if you want to underline any particular text or any particular heading in your website, then what syntax you should use. Okay, so only font style italic will work here. Next question is, Which of the following CSS property can be used to set the image as border instead of border style? So instead of border style, let's say this is one image. I don't want any particular border style over here. In this particular image, I just want border as an image as an border. So you can use what? Border image source, border image dash source, or border image. Sorry, this is background. Okay, so correct answer is option number C, that is background image source is the correct answer. Okay, after writing border image source, you can give the URL of that particular image that you want to use as a border here. Next question is, what will be the output of following CSS code snippet? So here span is used, border 1px solid red, outline green dotted thick. Okay, so let's say we are talking about some span, means some area. At that particular area, we want 1 pixel, we want a border with 1 pixel thickness. Solid means straight lines, okay, and red in color, outline green dotted thick. So correct answer is all span elements will have a green thick border and red outline. So they are saying that first option is saying all span elements, let's say we have 2 3 span areas here, will have green thick border. They will have green thick border like this and red outline over here. All span elements will have a red border and green dotted outline. Red, they are talking about what? Let me change the color for you. They are talking about the span element will have red border. This is the red border and green dotted lines. And green dotted lines as outline. Okay, all span elements will have outer green dotted border and inner red border. All span elements will have an outer red border and inner green dotted border. Okay, so correct answer is option number C. Why this is option number C? Because here we have covered all span. We did not use any class or ID or particular element over here. We just written span here. So for span element, first we write border. Okay, border is always on the outer side. Remember one point, border is always on the outer side and outline is always on the internal side if we are using both together. Okay, so correct answer is C. Okay, the border property creates the inner border while the outline sets the outer border. So this is very इजी क्वेश्चन बट वेरी ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, सो एग्जाम में आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो इस लेवल के क्वेश्चंस को. नेक्स्ट इज, which of the following is correct syntax to make the background color of all paragraph element to yellow? Let's say I have 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph and 4 paragraph. Okay, so I have 4 paragraphs here. I want background color of all the paragraphs to yellow. So what you should note here, you should write P. P means paragraph. We are covering all the paragraphs. Okay, all is nothing. If you have written all as the class name or ID name, only then you can write all here, otherwise all is incorrect. Okay, P, background color colon yellow and then semicolon. Okay, so option number 1 is the correct answer. Option number C and D we have rejected because all is nothing here. Okay, and in option number 2, background color colon hash, we always use hash while we want, when we want to give the hexadecimal color codes. Okay, whenever you want to give hexadecimal color codes, only then you need to write the hash, like hash 1100BBD. Anything you can write here. We have done everything practically. That's why I'm not explaining here too much. Okay, next question is, which of the following is the correct sequence to display hyperlinks without any underline? So hyperlinks, whenever you want any active link on your website, but you don't want any underline here, you want link like this only. Okay, so what you can write here is, you can write a means what? A means anchor tag. Okay, a text decoration, none. By default it captures the underline to indicate that this particular text is an active link. Okay, but if you don't want to, if you want to remove the by default things, then you can always use none value here. Next question is, which of the following property is used as the shorthand property for the padding properties? Okay, so what is the shorthand property if you want to use padding? So correct answer is just padding. Okay, if you want padding only to the left side, only to the right side, only then you can use option 1 and 2. Otherwise, if you want padding in all the directions, then you can use just padding. Okay, you can see its explanation here. Last question, that is the homework question for you. Okay, students, so you have to answer this in the comment section. Are the negative values allowed in padding property? So what is the meaning of padding? So CSS padding property is used to define the space between element content and the element border. Let's take an example here. Let's say this is my complete area. Okay, I have taken it as a div. Now if I am using any text or anything here like this, give me some time, like this. Okay, so that means here I have used the padding, top padding, right padding, left padding and bottom padding. All these are different. Okay, so are the negative values allowed here? Yes, no, can't say, maybe. So what will be the correct answer? Comment below. I will definitely help you if you don't know the answer. So thanks for watching.